What's up, guys? I'm Michael. This is the S80 by Project Sub Ohm. Welcome to the Ohm H. Alright guys, so continuing on with the perfect vape for summer, I've got the Project S80 by Project Sub Ohm. Now, of course, the criteria is still the same. We're going to look for weight, power, battery life, and just something that kind of suits my style of vaping. It might suit your style too. I hope it's informative. But let's go ahead and take a look at the S80 up close and see what comes in the package and how this thing works. Alright guys, so here it is, the Project S80 by Project Sub Ohm. Simple packaging, nothing real special going on here. Now inside the box we're going to be greeted with a user manual, charging cable, and this is a single pin charger, so no firmware updates are going to be available for this. This is not a data cable. And lastly, this certificate of quality. Now on the mod itself, nice ergonomic design, good 510 here. It's a 22mm with a spring-loaded 510 pin. Good hefty construction. This is a full stainless body with this rubberized coating over top of it. Nice paint finish. A raised fire button with good clicky tactile feel to them. We also, on the bottom, will have our charging port and our battery compartment. Now our battery compartment has this nice long slit in it, so you can fit a quarter down in there or something. If you get this on too tight, you can take it off. Good battery venting all the way around, but I have not had any problem with unscrewing this because of this hefty knurling on here. So actually unscrews and screws on very easily, even if you crank that down and get it really tight. Now I do want to point out that this is a very hefty device. I'm going to go ahead and pull the digital scales out here and turn them on. Now the mod by itself is going to weigh in right at 6.7 ounces, and with a standard 18650 battery installed, it's going to weigh 8.30 ounces. So I mean, pretty hefty mod for what it is, especially for the size. This thing is not very big, fits very nicely in the hand. I'm going to go ahead and throw the battery in here so we can see what this does. Now this is a temperature control mod, so you're going to have some features on here. And this is an 80 watt device, goes from 1 to 80 watts, and standard 5 clicks on and off. Now this does utilize the SX130J chip. So now to get into the menu system here, we're going to do another 5 clicks, and that's going to tell us system off. We're just going to click through with the fire button. So we have power mode, this is our wattage mode, system on and off. Now to change modes, you're going to have 1 click up to select your joule mode, which is your temperature control mode. Very simple. So I'm going to go ahead and exit there, and of course to turn this off you're going to do 5 more clicks, and it'll say system off. Go ahead and click up and confirm that you want the system off, and to click down. And that's about it, guys. So we're going to go back up talk about this a little bit more and vape on it. So join me up there. Alright guys, so that was the up close section of the S80. So final thoughts on this. Well, I do like the feel of it. The feel of it is very good. Fits nicely in the hand, nice positive button. The weight doesn't really bother me. Now the weight is kind of an issue. because it is hefty. This whole stainless steel frame, all the metal that they use in this, very, very weighty. We're looking at 6.75 ounces without a battery. With a battery, 8.3 ounces. Does that even sound right? I mean, man, that is a hefty little mod, especially whenever you consider like the Rouleau, the RX 200 with batteries in it. It's only like 11.25 or so. So this is a weighty mod. I mean, add something in like this this micro TFV4 by Smoke. Now this is the Micro Plus. This is a 24.5 millimeter atomizer, and that actually it doesn't look bad. I mean, it's big, but it doesn't look bad. I was just trying it out, kind of see what I like about it. So I don't know, man. This is a nice setup. You got the temperature range. Battery life is really good on this. Battery life performs really, really well. And let's have a toke real quick. So I don't know, man. I don't think this is going to be quite it just yet, but definitely check this out. Now, one thing that I do have to mention is this 510 connection. The 510 connection on this device is the weakest point of the entire mod. You screw this on too tight, it's going to twist. It's going to move on you. So you can wind up breaking this mod very, very easily. It's got a weak 510 connection on there. Not a deal killer per se for me, just because I like this mod so much. All I did was just make sure that I pull that 510 connection up so it's sitting up above the lip, because that's where you're kind of having your issues there. It's because the knurling on the inside of the 510 connection is not quite making a positive connection here with the body. But I mean, other than that, I mean, it's good. I would definitely buy it again. Speaking of, Vapor DNA has this for $50, and if you're one of the first 300 customers, which I'm not sure if they've met that yet, but check it out. If you're one of the first 300 customers, then you're going to get a little dripper along with it. So pretty cool, a little added value there. $50, would I buy it again? Yeah, I'd buy it again. I like it, I really do. I'm not sure that this is going to be my pocketable mod for all summer, but really nice device. And that's it, man. The S80 is done. So yeah, remember, you are the Ohm age. See ya.